we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HAONINYUE 4000A car jump starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features: multifunctional jump starter and air compressor. Emergency jump starter with built-in 12,000 mAh battery, delivering a peak starting current of 4,000 amps to jumpstart completely flat 12-volt car batteries, supporting engines up to 8 liters petrol or 6 liters diesel. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, motorhomes, or tractors. Portable car jump starter with air compressor. Car tire air pump portable. This portable vehicle jump starter incorporates an air compressor, offering 5 inflation modes: SUV, car, bicycle, ball, and boat, alongside 5 distinct nozzles to cater to both novice and advanced users. Boasting a maximum pressure of 150 psi and airflow of 35 liter per minute, this tire inflator can inflate Tesla Model 3/Y tires from 30 to 36 psi in just 1 minute. A full charge delivers up to 45 minutes of continuous wireless inflation, with support for switching between 3 units, bar, PSI, kPa. 37-watt USB-C fast charging. Featuring one 37-watt Type-C input/output port, one QC 3.0 USB-A port, and equipped with a PD 37-watt fast charger, our rapid start battery pack powers up to full charge in just 1.5 hours. With dual output ports for efficient charging of smartphones, laptops, and various electronic devices, it is the ideal companion for travel or camping. One-touch starter and LED torch. This automotive emergency jump starter delivers powerful starting assistance. Capable of jump-starting vehicles under low-voltage conditions, its 416-lumen LED torch offers 3 to 5 times the brightness of standard devices. Featuring distress, strobe and high beam modes, it is an essential emergency tool for your vehicle. Versatile use. HAONINYUE car tire pump wireless car jump starter, air compressor, and inflator. When you encounter issues like a dead battery or low tire pressure while driving, this starter with built-in air compressor can help resolve these problems. Featuring LED lighting and warning lights for rescue operations, it's an essential tool for your vehicle. Upgraded version car battery jump starter. Jumper cables. This jump starter battery pack is safe and easy to use for 12-volt car batteries. The lithium battery charger grants up to 20 jump starts on a single charge, even in extreme temperatures. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.